Launched in 1990 aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, it marked a defining moment in space exploration. Built through years of advanced engineering, innovation, and scientific dedication, it was originally designed to provide clearer views of the universe. However, it soon became far more than a telescope. It transformed humanity's entire perception of space and its vastness. Before Hubble, the night sky appeared as faint and blurry points of light. With its powerful optical systems, those points were transformed into detailed cosmic structures filled with depth and meaning. Stars were revealed as massive, long-lived nuclear furnaces, each with its own life cycle stretching across billions of years. Their light carries information from the distant past, allowing astronomers to observe the universe as it existed long before Earth's present moment. Galaxies, once thought to be simple smudges of light, were revealed as vast, organized systems shaped by gravity, motion, and time. Their spiral arms, dense central bulges, and energetic regions demonstrated that galaxies are constantly evolving through collisions, star formation, and gravitational interactions. Nebulae appeared as glowing clouds of gas and dust, acting both as stellar nurseries where new stars are born and as remnants left behind after stellar death, continuing the cycle of creation and destruction. By observing deeper regions of space, Hubble also looks further back in time. Because light takes time to travel, every distant object seen through the telescope represents a moment from the past. It has captured ancient galaxies forming in the early universe, explosive supernovas marking the death of massive stars, and regions surrounding black holes where matter behaves in extreme conditions. These observations reveal a universe that is highly active, energetic, and constantly evolving across cosmic history. Beyond deep space exploration, Hubble has also played a crucial role in long-term observations of our own solar system. Its ability to repeatedly study the same objects over years and decades allows scientists to detect slow but significant changes that would otherwise remain unnoticed. Mars, in particular, has been one of its most closely observed planetary neighbors. Hubble has revealed clear seasonal variations on Mars, including changes in surface color, brightness, and atmospheric behavior. The planet's polar ice caps expand and shrink with seasonal cycles, while thin clouds and dust patterns shift across its atmosphere. These observations confirm that Mars is not a completely inactive world, but one with a weak yet functioning climate system that continues to change over time. The telescope has also documented massive dust storms on Mars, some of which last for months and can cover the entire planet. A major global dust storm in 2001 completely obscured the Martian surface, demonstrating how quickly and dramatically the planet's atmosphere can transform. Hubble has further observed Mars' moon Phobos slowly spiraling closer to the planet due to tidal forces. Over long timescales, this gradual movement may eventually lead to its breakup or collision with Mars, showing that even moons are not permanent structures. Similarly, the asteroid belt has been shown to be far from static. It is a constantly active region where collisions, fragmentation, and gravitational interactions continuously reshape its population. Through all these discoveries, Hubble continues to reveal a profound truth. The universe is not still or unchanging. It is a vast, living system in motion, constantly evolving, transforming, and unfolding across both immense cosmic scales and subtle planetary changes.